Hi children, in today's class we will learn very important concept which you can get in competitive exams too. So count and write. In our workbook in page number 43 in chapter 5 shapes and designs, how many shapes of each type are there in the following figures? See here he given a square. By observing here you can easily find out there are total, it's not total, there are 9 squares you can observe easily. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So as usually many children can say that this figure has a 9 squares, but it's not correct. There are so many figures than that 9. We will count the total how many squares in it. Okay, now so first of all you need to count the big one. Okay, this is a big square, right? That is 1, and small squares in it, those are 9. You can observe it easily, those are 9, and 4 more squares also there in it. We will count it now. This is a big square by using these small 4 squares. Okay, that is 1. Now by using these 4 squares you can make another square also, that is 2. Why? Because by using these 4s you can made it 1, and by using these 4s you can made it 1. And now we will use these 4 squares, these 4 small squares now we will use now. With that you can made a big square, and by using these 4 small squares now you can made it another one. So how many squares you have in it? So total 4 squares by using small 4 squares, right? So those are 4. So total how many now? 9 plus 1 it's 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So number of squares in it 14. Okay, now by seeing this figure you need to count it how many circles in it. So count it now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So there are total circles or 7, right? Now we'll go for third one. This is very important, listen carefully. You may confuse to count it now here. See here, this is a triangle shape he given, right? Now we will start how many triangles in it. Okay, so this is a figure he given. So first of all you need to count the big one, right? So this is a big triangle he given, that is a whole, called it as whole. So big triangle, that is whole part, that is 1. And next if you divide it into 2 halves, the total triangle, the big triangle, if you divide it into 2 half parts by drawing a vertical line like this, you can see 2 half triangles in it, right? This is 1 half and this is another half, right? So how many halves in it you have? Half parts are 2, right? 2 triangles. Now we will go for small triangles in it. How many? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So total 6 triangles in it. So he divided into 6 equal parts. Each part is known as 1/6 part. In that fractions lesson you can learn about fractions. So this is called 1/6 part. Means out of 6th part we are talking about 1 part. So like that how many triangles you have in it? 1/6 parts are 6, right? 6 triangles. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Now we will go for 1/4 part. So total triangle he divided into 4 equal parts also. Okay, by drawing one triangle in the middle of the big triangle. See here, you can observe 4 triangles like that. I'll explain you. This is 1, okay, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So total how many? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So 1/4 part means total triangle he divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is 1/4 part. So like that 1 2 3 4 you have, right? So now count it how many total you have. 1 plus 2 it's 3, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 4 it's 13 triangles, right? So you have 13 triangles in it. So he written 13 here. Now open page number 42. He given a rectangular shape here. You need to count it how many rectangles in it. Okay. For that I drawn that figure here. See here, by observing here you can easily say that there are 6 rectangles in it, but it's not correct. There are so many rectangles in it. We will count one by one. Okay. So first of all, whole part, whole rectangle, that is 1. Whole part is 1. And then next, if you make it into two halves by drawing a vertical line, this is one rectangle and this is another rectangle. So how many half parts you have in it? 2, right? And next, 1/6 part. So total rectangle he divided into 6 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these type of rectangles you have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are called 1/6 parts. So 1/6 parts are 6 you have. Next, now we will talk about 2/6 part. Means out of 6, he divided into total 6 parts, no, in that total rectangle. In that 6 rectangles, we will take at a time 2 rectangles. So 1 and 2. So we will take at a time 2 rectangles. So like that, how many rectangles we have, we will count now. This is a 1 rectangle, and now I will take these 2 rectangles at a time. So this is 2, okay, this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So 2 at a time we are taking out of 6, right? So that is called 2/6 part. So how many 2/6 parts you have? 4, right? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 rectangles you have in it, right? Now we will talk about 1/3 part. Total rectangle he divided into 3 equal parts. First one, second one, third one. This is first rectangle, and this is second rectangle, and this is third rectangle. So those are 1/3 part. Means out of 3 parts we are talking about 1 part. So 1, 2, 3. So like that 3 rectangles you have, right? So those are 3. Next one, 4/6. Means at a time we are taking 4 out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 rectangles at a time I will take 1 rectangle. So this is 1, and by using these 4 squares, 4 rectangles, I will take 1 big rectangle. So those type of rectangles you have. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, ma? So 4/6 part. So how many rectangles you have in it? 2, right? It's 2. So total how many, count it now? 1 plus 2, it's a 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, it's 16. 16 plus 2, 18 rectangles. Okay. Now we'll go for fifth one. See, this is fifth one he given. He given this figure. You need to find out how many rectangles and how many triangles in it. Okay. For that I drawn this figure here. So you need to count it now how many rectangles you have in it. Okay. So count it how many rectangles. This is a whole rectangle, right? This is whole part. So that is 1. Whole part is 1. And next half parts. See, this is by drawing a vertical line you can make it into 2 halves. By drawing horizontal line also you can make it into 2 halves, right? So how many rectangles you have in it? We will count now. This is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3, and this is 4. So total how many half parts? 4. Yes. Okay. By drawing vertical line you can divide it into 2 halves. By drawing horizontal line also you can divide it into 2 halves. So like that you can say 4 rectangles. And next 1/4 part means total rectangle if you divide it into 4 parts, 4 equal parts. This is 1 part, this is second part, this is third part, this is fourth part, right? So how many 1/4 parts you have? 4. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, it's a 9. So total 9 rectangles in it. Next, in the same sum he given B bit as how many triangles in it. Okay, we will count now how many triangles in it. So by drawing diagonal lines, these are called diagonal lines. Diagonal means a line joining 2 opposite corners. Okay, line joining 2 opposite corners. Okay, those are called diagonals. So by drawing diagonals, totally he divided into 8 equal triangles. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So total 8 triangles. Each part is same, right? So 1/8 part. In out of 8 parts, this is 1 part. In out of 8 parts, this is 1 part. So like that you have total 8 1/8 parts, right? 8 triangles you have. Next 1/4 part. 1/4 part means by drawing horizontal line you have this is one rectangle, this is another rectangle, this is another one, and this is another one. So 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 triangles you have like that, right? So those are called 1/4 parts. For 1/4 part, how many triangles you have 1/4 parts? It's a 4, right? Next, half part. Half part means if you make it into half by drawing one horizontal line, this is one half, this is another half. By drawing this diagonal line, this is one half and this is one half, right? So total how many half parts you have in it? 4, right? Understood? By drawing one diagonal line, you can make it into two halves. This is one triangle, this is another triangle. By drawing this diagonal line. If you draw this diagonal line, you can make it into again two halves, 1 and 2, right? So total 4 you have in it. So total triangles 8 plus 4, it's 12, 12 plus 4, it's a 16, right? 16 triangles. Okay, ma?